What's going on, everybody? Welcome to more Motorsports Garage. I wanted to give you an update on the EF. I don't have it anymore. This isn't mine anymore. It's actually his car. But we're gonna ask him a few questions here in a minute. I'm just gonna give you a little walkthrough and show you. He's been dailying it and having fun with it, taking it to the Cletus and Cars. Is that what you took it to?
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. A lot of people question the Rhino line though.
Yeah, a lot of people. This attracts a lot of attention, don't it?
Yeah, it's actually ridiculous. I didn't think it was going to be this much until it actually started happening.
Yeah, it still looks really good though. I mean, he's taking good care of it. You know, it's still running strong.
Just a little rust here and there.
Yeah, a little surface rust on like the cast iron, but that's kind of to be expected with, you know, having vents in the hood and stuff like that. Cast iron just rusts anyways, don't matter. Humidity will kill them. But yeah, it's looking really good still. I just washed it a little bit. We didn't scrub it down very well, but one of the questions I did have, so that other people know, is how easy is it to keep clean?
It's honestly a lot easier than regular paint because all I do is use purple power, some water, mix that together, and then spray it down first and use the purple power, and literally everything comes off right afterwards.
Well, you heard it from him. I didn't tell him what to say or anything like that. He cleans this thing, just scrubs it. I love the fact that you get the scrubby brush. Yeah. A lot of people are like, don't use scrubby brush on paint, but this bed liner is just so durable and tough.
You don't got to worry about scraping anything.
Right. And yeah, I mean, still looking awesome. I'll go walk around to the other side so you can see it as well. Still
Honestly,
has
the hardest part to clean is the hood.
Carbon fiber.
I'm not trying to scratch that carbon fiber.
Yeah. He said the hardest part to clean is the hood because it's the carbon fiber. This is actually 2K cleared as well. So this is actually the clear I put on it. And it seems to be holding up good too. And this is the Spray Max 2K clear spray can paint over the carbon fiber. It's dirty right now because we didn't clean the hood. But yeah, it's definitely holding up for sure. The engine bay still looking good. Needs a good little wipe down again, but you know, still looking pretty clean. And how's the turbo doing? Turbo doing good still?
Good. Just had a couple leaks here and there, but
that's to be expected with a turbo car.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's an aftermarket turbo setup because this has the HKS blow-off valve with the custom blow-off valve whistler that Sinformant made. I'll leave his information in the description if you want to get one of these. He custom makes these for HKS style blow-off valves, and they sound pretty cool. I actually have a video of that over on Texas Honda channel. If you guys want to check that out, I'll try to link it in the description. You can see the intercooler has the more on it, just like the truck has the black with the green. Pretty much the exact same intercooler. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little walk around and show you what's going on with the EF and how it's been holding up. And really, it's been holding up pretty good. Now, this exact color, I ordered more of it so I can bedline this truck with this exact paint. So this texture, this color, all of that will be on this truck coming soon. If you guys didn't already know, this thing's running. I got the drive shaft on its way back to me, a custom built one by Automotive Driveline out of Hurst, Texas. So huge shout out to them for doing an awesome job on that drive shaft, and then we'll get this thing in. I also did some, you know, Dragon Ball center caps that I custom made, and we've got the headliner, the Dragon Ball shifter, and all the interior glow is all on here. So it's definitely coming along. I'll have videos of this over on Texas Honda channel soon on ripping through the gears and stuff like that. Also coming soon on that channel, I will have the Dragon Ball Z, the Goku quick release steering wheel install. So that'll be coming over there. We definitely got stuff coming to this channel and the other one, so please subscribe if you haven't. And I just wanted to give you this quick little update of the car. But definitely stay tuned because we have more stuff coming. I'm going to be doing a rat rod. More information on that. It's not going to be your traditional rat rod. It's going to be a little bit different. You've probably seen it on the channel or one similar, but like I said, you'll have to hit that subscribe button, turn the bell icon on to get notified of every upload, and stay tuned for that video because it will be coming out as soon as I can possibly get it edited. But I greatly appreciate you guys checking in and seeing how the EF's doing. But we'll go ahead and get off here and let him get back home. It's getting late, so I will see you guys in the next video. And as I like to say, God bless, stay safe, stay awesome.